This is the main center point, guys. This is the main center point. I just want to have selfie here. I love Shillong.
This one 20.
Give me this one. Give 20.
20.
So clan.
So long.
So plank. They call it so plank, guys. This is so plank. I don't know, is it a fruit or vegetables? I don't know. Just some people told me you have to try it out, guys. So they kept some masalas on it, maybe salt. Okay, hello Shillong, Meghalaya, Kumno Pilong, Paralog, welcome back again. Your Pareng, your African boy, Gabs Gabi here, guys. So today we are going to explore Shillong. We are going to see the vibe. It's just like I decide to chill around and to see the life and how people really have their day, guys. So far I am about to head to the PB, guys. This side will take to PB, and here is one of the most famous places. They call it like Watts Lake, guys. Today there is one event also taking place. I think it's like a literature day. So let's just head to the main center point, which is, they call it PB. It is now around almost 2 o'clock, guys, and the weather is good, little bit shiny, and you can just see, guys, the place is like this is something common here. It's something common in Shillong, guys. This is something common about the traffic and the stuff. Yeah, but you know, not daily, guys. It depends. Like usually morning time, and also around evening time. Also, it used to be so much of traffic. So you just have to make sure that, like for me, I'm so lucky. I have my friends whom they have to drop me with a scooty, so I can easily beat this traffic. So you just have to know, if you're coming here to chill around, you should be so patient. And my advice for everyone who is coming also to tour the place, to chill and to room in Shillong, make sure if you're gonna move with a car or cab like that, so you should make your movement always earlier before time. Okay, make your movement always earlier before time, because there is so much of traffic here. But other than this, guys, I don't see any problem. Like honestly, I love the place, guys. I love the vibe. Like wow, I don't know how to tell you, but I used to say, whenever the first time I came to Shillong, guys, I just felt like, oh my gosh, like I'm in another country, not India, guys. Like the lifestyle is different here. The people are so friendly, and the weather is so cool, so amazing, guys. It's like here we don't need fun. People don't need to suffer from heat, guys. Like the weather is so cool, so amazing, and they have a lot of amazing, beautiful natural places, guys. And the people also here look so different. Like what I'm telling you, honestly, the vibe is different here, guys. I see people have a lot of freedom to chill. Like you don't need to worry if you are in Shillong, guys. You don't need to worry. Like it's safe. I'm saying it's safe, guys. So let me take you closer. There is one. This is like the center point. Yeah, we are here almost to the center point. And like since I came, guys, I never tried. The local bus. Yeah, I never tried the local bus, and this is where you will be taking the local bus here. But I have no experience of local bus. You can see around here they will be just having a lot of cab and Uber all the time. Like this is what people are taking. Sometimes you have to take like sharing, and you can also book it alone to move with it. So this is the main center point of Shillong. Let me just take you closer. This is the center point, guys. Like this place, guys, during night and morning time, it used to be crazy, guys. It used to be crazy, amazing. You can see behind me is I love Shillong. Let me just come closer. Yeah, let me just show you. Yeah, this is I love Shillong. This is the main center point, guys. This is the main center point, and this market here, you will get everything. You You'll get everything. I just want to have selfie here. Wow, I love Shillong. One more. Yo, I love Shillong. Yeah, we love Shillong, guys. So let's just dive inside and show you a little bit of vibe in Shillong. Yeah. Like last time I came here, it was during evening time, guys. It was little bit night, so I couldn't explore clearly. So today let's just have a look. Yeah, you can get also hoodies and clothes at the cheapest rate, guys. Like here, there is that thrift market, like second-hand clothes also available here. And it depends also on your luck. Sometimes it will be so cheap to get it. And this is like for me, like you can see the traffic, you can see the crowd, guys. This is like afternoon time. It's not that much, but if you come evening time, bro, this is where the vibe is crazy outside here. Like it used to be so much of crowd, but I just love it. I love it, guys. Nighttime also, it looks so good and so beautiful. Yeah. Like I love this place, guys. And first, what I love about this place is like the weather is so cool. And secondly, guys, they have good understanding, guys. Like the people here, when it comes to driving, guys, like people really understand themselves. Hi, how are you?
Hi, bro.
Hi.
How are
Good. Nice. Yeah. Hey, bro. Just wonder out this side. They said it's going to. Which market is this?
You go to Yaudo.
This is Bara Bazar.
Yeah. No, Bara Bazar.
That side. This is PB.
No, this not here.
PB is that side.
And then this way you go to Yaudo, Bara Market, na?
Bara Market.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Here. See, there is one out here. What people mostly take for the breakfast, like here. Ask khasi people what breakfast they eat the most.
Eat the most like jado.
Jado,
Yeah.
rice.
You like jado?
Yes, I ate jado.
Yeah.
So-
most people, khasi people most they eat like local food, na?
Early in the morning, first breakfast is jado, huh?
Yeah, jado.
Okay. What about puri? Like they don't go for puri?
Puri.
Huh?
Most-
I am seeing puri all around here.
Oh, you will get there.
Okay. But the most eaten breakfast is jado.
Yes, jado.
Okay.
Or white, also white rice.
White rice. Okay. Thank you.
It's okay.
Yeah. So there is just one thing I found different, guys, compare it to Shillong. Like Shillong and any other state of India. Like here guys, people have their own local breakfast, right? Like when I go to Hi. When I go to other part of India, maybe say New Delhi, like South and North India, guys. Their breakfast, you all know it, right? They always go for idli, puri, dosa, and how do you call again? Like the round one, bonda. Yeah, this is the most consumed breakfast in most of the state in India. But I just came to know that in Shillong, they eat different. They eat different breakfast, guys. The breakfast is different here. Yeah, everything is different about Shillong here. And they are so unique, like they keep their culture. And I already tried their jado, guys. Jado is one of their famous food. Yeah. Jado is like kind of rice, and they also eat with chicken and pork like that. Yeah, this is the most consumed food outside here. So this is all the vibe, guys. This is the vibe about the PB, guys. PB. Yeah. Bro, 1 minute. This side, how do you call it? This place is called? Morprang. Okay. Okay, thank you. Who is that? The statue for? That statue. Po? Pulangdo. Pulangdo. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, so we are in Morprang, and there is one big statue here. It's for Pulangdo, guys. And I just want to show you some local things here. Yeah, I want to try this. This is name is Soklan, right?
Yeah.
Soklan. I need small. I'll try.
One small, one 10.
This one.
This one 20.
Ah, give me this one. Give 20.
20.
Ah. They used to say this is one of the most healthiest kind. I don't know. Is it like fruit or what? This is fruit or vegetables? Huh? This. I'll give me some piece. I'll. Okay. Just keep here, Amma. Soklan. Soplang. They call it soplang, guys. This is soplang. I don't know, is it a fruit or vegetables? I don't know. I just some people told me you have to try it out, guys. So they kept some masalas on it, maybe salt. Okay. It's not that sweet. It's not sweet, guys. I don't know how to say it, but it's like it tastes like yam or cassava. You know cassava and yam. This is how it tastes. What is the benefit of it? Benefit? You don't know? No English? Brother, what is the benefit of this? Is it a fruit or a vegetable? Soplang. This is Soplang. Is it a fruit or vegetable?
It's a root.
This? What is the benefit of it? Benefit important. If you why people eat this? Huh? Any important benefit? You don't know? They don't know, guys. They don't know what's the benefit of it. But anyway, one of my friends, they just said, like, when you like most of people, they like consuming this, and like they grow outside the village, and now it's having more demand, and even the price is becoming higher. So it means it has something important, but I don't know. You can tell me in the comment, guys. First time trying soplang. We don't have something like this in Africa, or we don't even have it in Andhra Pradesh. We don't have. It's my first time in India, just trying such things out here.